Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to fix some nachos. I'm using some lean ground beef. It's the 93.7. I'll be using, 3 packets of the taco seasoning mix. Whenever you use this, you're supposed to use 1 packet per pound of meat. Whenever you use this, you have to use a liquid, either water, but I'll be using chicken broth. And fix that. This is what I'm using for the cheese sauce. La Preferida, ready to use nacho cheese. So I'll just heat this up. I like picante sauce or chunky salsa on mine, so I'll be using this. And it's the hot picante sauce. I wish I could just dump the cheese and this in one thing, but Walter probably will have a problem with chunky stuff in it. And I'll be putting shredded lettuce on it. And I bought yellow corn chips and the flaming hot Doritos for my nachos. So let's get started. Lower this. Okay, y'all can see that. I'm cooking on the front of the stove because ain't no babies here. And my top ain't too flowy. When I wear my caftans, I have to be careful cooking on the stove so my sleeves don't get caught. I'm using my black and gold time and what's the name of this? Time and table cookware. Now, meanwhile, I'll be opening up stuff. What I would like to do, put the cheese and everything in the meat and make it a dip. I'm still contemplating. But I had a taste for it when I got up this morning. And I kept debating. So let me go in here and fix this. Always listen for the pop when you open up something. It smells good. I got the real lean ground beef, so I don't have to be dipping out no grease. Because it costs more than the ground chuck. I'll pay a couple dollars more, it's okay. I need a pot that's smaller than this. The next smaller size. But this was in a set. I'm not even sure if they have one smaller. Well, my Crocs today, y'all. It's getting nice out. Animal print Crocs. Everybody needs a rubber spatula to get these nooks and crannies. Okay, it looks like I've got it all. Okay, I got 2 cans of this cheese. I think I'll do 2 cans. You know, you can use ground turkey, you can use ground chicken, or you can mix it with the ground beef to make it a little healthier. And I don't season the meat until it's done. Let me get this other can. Okay, I'll be back when the meat is done. Okay, this meat is almost done. I'm going to break it up with this hamburger breaker upper thingamajig. It's easier than just using the wooden spoon. Okay, time to season it. Let's see how it looks. And it's very little grease. So I don't call this grease, I call it juices. Okay, you don't use this when the meat is raw. Those will be stuck all in the tines of this. My seasoning. I'm using 3 packs. I think this was a little over 3 pounds of meat. Now you need your liquid. And this adds flavor too. More flavor than water would. You can put a lid on this, halfway on here. So I want this juice to absorb. Okay. Just put it on halfway. And I'm gonna turn on got the cheese in this smaller pot. Turn that on. I have to watch it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the meat is done. The cheese is warmed up. And turn the fire off. And I got this fixed. Got the two kinds of chips. I'm using one of these takeout containers. Because we use so much takeout, so I might as well use that. Now this juice in here is the chicken broth that hadn't been absorbed. Putting the meat on this side, the chips on the other side. Okay, put the cheese. You'll see what I'm doing. Ooh, that's a lot of cheese. You basically just have to heat this cheese up. It's done. Now, I'm going to handle up my way. I'll put my, what on here? We put the lettuce on the meat. And the salsa. Okay, I need a thumbnail, but you can't see the meat. That's a problem. I gotta put some more meat on here, y'all. If I get more meat, I gotta put more cheese.
You feel me?
Yes.
The Sam on the phone. She said she feeling for a moment.
Now I need some hot peppers.
Oh, McCoy? Oh, good.
I didn't show y'all these. I got
Oh.
hot jalapenos. Need a thumbnail.
Let me show you my drawers. They could get up and we go to the bathroom on the lawn.
Walter, I'm filming.
Okay.
Okay. This is my nacho. Let me get a thumbnail. Let me get over here. Just a minute. Okay, here's my nacho. With the meat, the cheese, the jalapenos, and what else? And the lettuce. And the two kinds of chips. Okay. I'm gonna try it with a hot chip. Hope it ain't too hot for me. I'm trying to get some meat and the salsa. good. It was craving nachos, and it hits the spot. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit.